Well, I don't know how good this will turn out. I'm standing on the back porch here. There's my little creek. Had been all but dried up for the last couple of years. Now it looks like a river running down there. I'm taking these pictures back up over towards Daddy's house. Now that there is that little bridge there behind the Norma K house. See? I'm going on up there towards Daddy's house now. See? Looks like a little river now, don't it? It'll be a bad little creek. There's my tractor stuff over there. Hope it ain't washed away. See if I can go up there. Yeah, now look, all the way up there. But my little creek looks like a little river now. I don't know if you can hear it or not either. It sounds like a waterfall. Grass is terrible. I've got to get out and cut it because I haven't been able. It's raining too hard. I can't do it.